Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review something really cool, actually something for kids. It's a kind of kitchen accessory set. Comes in this box. Everything is actually a wooden accessory. So let's check it out what we have got. Hand-eye coordination. So it would be a kitchen pretend play. It would help the imagination of the kid, and sturdy and durable. It has 4 plates, 4 spoons, 4 cups, saucers, forks, knives, and many other tools actually. And let's open it up and see what we have got inside the box. So there we go. And pretty cool actually, really nicely packed. So new in. I think there are like different type of things that they have from this shop. If you need any help with the product, please contact us. It's a company dedicated to inspiring children imagination through simple wooden toy kits. Fine, so it's like their company mission. Well, if you remember, in many of our videos we come across similar things, but actually, I mean, when someone buy this product, which means they already decided for your company. I mean, I don't understand what's the point of showing their company vision. I mean, I'm not going to buy their company, I'm buying the product. So could have been better if they would have written it like from a customer perspective. Anyway, this is not a business lesson. Let's just focus on the product. Well, it comes in this really nicely packed versions. Let's just open them up and see what we have inside. So it comes in this nice box and 4 small forks basically. So then you have got the larger one, I would say, in here. Pretty cool. Then you have got some cups, I believe, in here. Let's just open them up. Oops. Alright, looks like this. Actually, it is a wood, but quite nice. I mean, another one in here. You have got the salt and pepper dispensers in here. Then we have got another set of cups. This one. And there we have the plates, small plates. This one I'm not sure. Let's open it up. Alright, so there are the plates, in fact. Look like this. This is the cooking pan, I believe. Nice design. And here we have knife, I believe. That's correct. That is our knife. And here we have another pan actually for cooking. This is really nice. Very cool. And the last one, I think there are some small spoons. There we go. Yeah, some small spoons. Pretty cool actually. So let's now put them all next to each other. So we have like 4 forks, small spoons we have got in here. So we have some 4 set of fork and knife, 2 for cooking. You have a pan in here, looks like this. You have a frying pan. You have 4 plates. So salt and pepper dispenser, 4 cups, and 4 small plates. Pretty cool actually for a kid. A great idea, great product, and really nice for activating the imagination of the kids. So pretty cool. Hope you liked it. If so, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos coming up on a daily basis. Make sure you stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.